So much is happening in the world of technology that sometimes we really do not notice the subtle changes. Case in point is what has happened with the iPhones over the years. From iPhone 11, they have been basically the same phone. They have looked the same, and even though there has been changes in terms of the software, but they have looked the same, and it's made people wondering if they really need an upgrade. On the flip side, Xiaomi has done just the opposite. Ever since they started naming their devices Ultra in 2020, there has been significant changes in the physical look of the phone. Every year there has been some changes in how the phone looks, new introduction, and sometimes and most often in the camera setup. Not to say that there has not been changes in the software, there has been upgrades, but the most visible, the most noticeable has been in terms of the hardware, the structure of the phone. If you've been watching, you'd notice that photography, camera setup has become the most important thing in a flagship phone this time around. If the camera is not right, the phone is not right. Guys, before I continue with this video, I want to thank everyone who is subscribed to my channel. If you're one of them, thank you very much. If this is your first time coming across my videos, thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Share this video with your friends so they can share with your friends and their friends. As a millennial, I remember back in school going for school field trips using an old-fashioned Kodak camera, going out to take pictures, living life on the Kodak front, like an artist would say. And in 2023, when Xiaomi introduced their photography kit, it brought back that feel of using an old school camera. And not just an old-fashioned camera, but an old-fashioned camera with instant image processing like you would have on any flagship smartphone in 2025. And so this same technology and innovation which they introduced to their phones continued right up to probably 2025, yes, this year. And this video is not really about a phone review or camera review, but I'm just trying to talk about this piece of innovation that Xiaomi has done to their phone, the photography kit. That's what I'm talking about. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra, which I'm doing this video on, was made in 2024. That was their flagship phone, and it came with a photography kit, not like part of the phone. You buy the photography kit as an accessory extra out of the phone. The photography kit comprises of a camera grip, lens filter settings, and a phone case, right? And all these come together to change the phone's format or form factor from a phone to a camera, and this makes it really beautiful. So the camera grip comes with a separate 1500 milliamp battery, which you can use to charge the phone when the phone is low, right? If you're doing your photography and you're running short on battery, you can use the power of the camera grip to charge the phone while you film. The camera grip has a shutter button which is used to take pictures, a zoom rocker which is used to zoom, it has a dial which is used to change the ISO value, and it has a video button which is used to start and stop video recording. The cool thing about this camera grid is you can reconfigure these buttons to do just about anything, right? So you don't have to use it as standard as it was made. You can reconfigure the buttons to do different things. And being attached to a phone whose camera is amazing just makes the experience just so much different. And talking about the cameras, that is something I'll talk about in a completely different video when I'm doing a full review of the phone and not just talking about the photography kit. So this was just for you to think about. If you're someone who is into phone photography, phone videography, you can consider something like this, even if not directly from a Xiaomi, because there are already some Chinese brands that produces phones with the photography kit. You should consider it makes videoing and photos much easier using the photography kit. And so in the next video, I'll be doing a review of the phone itself, and hopefully next month or so I'll do a video on the upgraded phone which was released in September. That's the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. So guys, till the next video, peace.